Hi, I'm Aarti Bhalera. I'm Chief Dietitian for Mom Story by Sahyadri Hospital. And in today's section, we are going to learn about an amazing recipe. Who says healthy food has to be boring? It has to be tedious. तो आज की जो रेसिपी है कौन सी है? Today we are going to make healthy glow energy balls. अब ये जो रेसिपी है बहुत सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट से बनेगी, वेरी क्विक. ओके, good for all the kids who want to eat healthy, good for all expecting mothers. It can be a mid evening snack, a filler in the mid morning times, a go to snack or a healthy dessert when you're really craving for something sweet yet healthy. So let's quickly go through the ingredients and know the recipe. So आज की जो रेसिपी है बहुत सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट्स से है, like the word glow goes. So it has to be inherent. ग्लो तो ऊपर होता है लेकिन it will start with your nourishment of your skin. So let's understand some ingredients that are going to inherently make you glow. So the first ingredient, the base of the ingredient is going to be carrots. Carrots are very good in beta carotene, okay, very good for your skin. Also it contains a lot of antioxidant benefit. So yes, carrots कितने लेने हैं? Around approximately 1 cup shredded of carrots हमें लेने हैं. After this we need something that is going to give us constant energy. So we need little complex carbohydrate, little fiber, something that's going to be taking care of our gut also. So the next main ingredients goes as your oats. So we've got around 3/4 cup of rolled oats, again to give you sustained energy and very good source of fiber and complex carbohydrate. Now with this also goes a little desiccated coconut, okay. So yes, coconut again good with fibers, healthy fats to make you glow better. Now along with this, something for your omega-3 fatty acids which are important for all lactating mothers, all pregnant mothers, all the children. So for this omega-3 fatty acid we also have around 1/4 cup of walnuts which are there. And then to make the recipe a little more appealing, we are going to use dates as a good source of energy, as a natural sweetener also to it. अब इसके बाद हमें चाहिए थोड़ा सा creamy texture. So we are going to utilize little bit of peanut butter into it, around 3 to 4 teaspoons of peanut butter. Now instead of peanut butter, if you want to glow more, you might as well use almond butter. Okay, let's have our ingredient for omega-3 as a chia seed, again very good and essential for all the pregnant mothers, for all the lactating mothers, for all the kids. Okay, so yes, after this we need a little hormone balance also, so the ingredient does have a little bit of cinnamon powder into it. After cinnamon powder, लिटिल फ्लेवर. हर बार वो रेसिपी उसी टेस्ट से ना टेस्ट करें, तो हम थोड़ा सा नटमेग इसमें ऐड कर रहे हैं और हमने लिया है थोड़ा सा हनी जो स्वीटनेस को एडजस्ट करेगा. नाउ विद दिस रॉ इंग्रेडिएंट्स लेट्स क्विकली गो टू द रेसिपी. अब हमने करना क्या है, सबसे पहले वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द कैरेट्स. लेट्स फर्स्ट स्टार्ट ग्रेटिंग द कैरेट्स. After this we are just going to grate the carrots. Approximately a bowl full of grated carrots we'll need. So now once we have the grated carrot ready, क्या करना है, इसको थोड़ा squeeze कर लेना, so the extract of the little moisture is being taken care of. But then if your carrots are too dry, then it's okay, you can use it as it is. What we do now, we'll require हमारा थोड़ा सा फूड प्रोसेसर का हेल्प लगेगा हमें. What we have to do is we'll quickly blend the raw ingredients now. First goes the oats, approximately 3/4 बाउल ऑफ रोल्ड ओट्स हम लेंगे जिसको हम थोड़ा सा फूड प्रोसेसर में डालेंगे. Followed by that goes our omega-3 fatty acid which will go as walnuts. Then we go with the chia seeds. पहले हम सारे रॉ इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो हैं उसको ब्लेंड कर लेंगे, थोड़ा सा कोर्सली ब्लेंड करना है. I am adding approximately 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and very slight around 1 to 2 pinches of nutmeg into it. इसको पहले हम ब्लेंड कर लेंगे एंड दैट विल बी फॉलोड बाय आवर वेट इंग्रेडिएंट्स. It's already giving us a nutty flavor. After just coarsely blending it, now let's put in our raw ingredients. The glow content now follows one by one. These are our grated carrots. Approximately 1 bowl of grated carrots full of vitamin A. Then goes a little creamy texture to be given. So हमने डाला है इसमें approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. फिर जाता है हमारा desiccated coconut 1/4 bowl. And उसको हमने चाहिए जितना sweetness, so we are going to add a little dates to it. हनी हम सबसे एंड में ऐड करेंगे just to adjust the sweetness and then we again blend it up nicely. Now once the mixture is a bit ready, हम उसमें डालेंगे थोड़ा सा honey just to adjust the sweetness, right? Now honey can be added as per your taste to the sweetness that you like, and then we blend it again. Now it's time to take these ingredients into a bowl and turn them into nice soft balls. Now it's time that we transfer all these ingredients into a bowl. Finally, our mixture is ready. Either you can refrigerate this. थोड़ी देर अगर आपके पास टाइम है तो इसको रेफ्रिजरेट करो और फिर you can give a desired shape, or else you can give a desired shape and then refrigerate before you consume. So a recipe which is a very go-to recipe for all the working mothers, जहाँ पर टाइम नहीं है हमें, quick and easy with a lot of natural ingredients which has a very good nutritional value, very filling. So you can either इसको आप balls बनाओ, थोड़ा सा हम कोकोनट में इसको रोल करेंगे ताकि it gives you a good appeal and a little nice taste to it. I am making balls. They are very easier. Bite size ones. You can either make it into a square shape, star shaped, whatever appeals to you. Finally, we have our carrot coconut healthy glow bites ready. It's an amazing kind of snack whenever you are hungry. It is also good as a dessert which is guilt free with all natural ingredients at your home. I'm sure you're going to like this recipe, and of course it's going to add a little more to the glow that you naturally have. With this, let me take your leave. Please follow us for more. Thank you for joining in.